Hello again. Now for part two of drawing overlapping objects. Um, I left off with the drawing cube, and I am going to go back there to my line tool, and so now I'm actually going to copy. So I want you to see that what parallel lines look like. So I'm going to use the actually same exact line with the same exact angle, and copy, and just paste it in here and move this one here. Same right along this top. So you can see it's basically the same a line. If we were using perspective, it would look a little different, but we're not. We're just going to go ahead and draw a cube. So I'm going to go and I'm actually going to paste that one again, and I'm going to drag it down. So you kind of get to cheat when you use an drawing app. I'm going to push this back into the corner. I'm going to push this back in the corner. There we go. Now I'm going to go back to my line tool, and I want to, here, before I do that, let me click off, and then get my line, and whoops, I want to go to connect these lines. Okay, and finish editing, and then back to the line tool, and there. Now my perspective is a little bit off here, so I'm going to go back, finish editing. I want to go back to the select tool, and I want to go here. I'm going to rotate this slightly so it's a little more up, and go there. And let's see if I can shrink this one. I think I can. There you go. Whoa, that's interesting. You can change the width on the fly, so that's kind of cool. Let's go click off and then move this one in a bit. There you go, some refinements. All right, so now I'm going to go on to the pyramid here. I'm not going to worry about shading, and for the first pass I'm going to go and do the pyramid right now. I know it's a bit of a project, but this is constructing a scene. This is a lot what drawing is about, not necessarily art, because you can make lots of different types of art without being so drawing accurate. And then, so I just made a shape, a triangle, but I did not go ahead and put it through. If I did that, let's see, if I did just make a triangle, which you can do, then you just have to go back and erase those lines. There, and I'm gonna close the path. There we go. And then this one, this one's more at an angle, so I'm going to go back and just put in the other side right here. Make this side and put it right up to the horizon line, and done. And then I'm going to finish editing. There you go. There you've got all your shapes, but now I want to get rid of those lines on the inside of the shape. So I'm going to go back to my white and paintbrush and just get rid, and I need a little bigger, and I need less blur. There we go. So now it becomes more of an eraser. The sphere is going to be, oh, I did that wrong. It's nice to have a computer to erase quickly. So the sphere is in front of the cylinder. The cube is in front of the sphere. And the cube is also, I'm going to shrink my brush, it's a little unwieldy. And then the cube is in front of the pyramid, so and it's also in front of the horizon line. So I'm erasing all of those lines from the pyramid and the horizon line. So then there. And I'm not going to worry about the being too detail oriented because we are going to shade. So, and then the pyramid is in front of the horizon line. Done. There you go. You've got solid, not solid because we haven't shaded yet, but those are the linear parts of the line forms of the 3D forms.